Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights. Welcome to Matter Hacks, video series brought to you by us. Today we're going to be talking about unique and diverse ways towards quick claim settlement. As you know, we here at Actionable Insights promote utilizing and leveraging geospatial data for documentation, for reducing claims friction, and getting your claim resolved quickly. As we said before, we don't want you to race against the machines, we want you to race with the machines. So here it is. In January 2023, I was involved in an at-fault accident. A driver ran a stop sign and we collided. My truck ended up being totaled. I suddenly had a liability claim where it was in my best interest to provide thorough documentation on the condition of my vehicle so that the adjuster could assess actual cash value accurately. This was especially pertinent due to a multitude of expensive upgrades and alterations that would need to be assessed. Thankfully, the prior summer I was testing the Pro 3 for unique usage cases, so I did a full scan outside and inside the truck. Not only was I able to capture the existing conditions of the vehicle accurately, I was able to place tags within the scan, highlighting the upgraded components and the related costs. You can take this a step further with HTML links. Check out our video on deep links here. The adjuster was able to quickly and accurately assess the value of the vehicle and provided me with a reasonable settlement the following day. This is a great and unique example of how to leverage geospatial data for quick and accurate claim settlement. I was able to substantiate the actual cash value settlement my claim was warranted, and the adjuster was able to substantiate the costs with my thorough documentation. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe below. A big thanks to Matterport for being our partner. If you have a great idea for a new Pro 3 video, please leave a comment. Thanks again. We'll catch you in the next episode of Matter Hacks.